Hello everyone, welcome to SS Odia tutorial. आज आमे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन इंडिया रो केतक एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करिबा। जो माने चैनल रे नुआ आछंती प्रथमे चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करंतु जहा फल रे कि हमर प्रतिटी वीडियो रो नोटिफिकेशन आपनक पाखरे पहुंची पारिबो। प्रथम प्रश्न रहिचे, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द merit of the presidential system? Option A, permanent government. Option B, confirmation in policies. Option C, limited representation. Option D, government by experts. Right answer is limited representation. Next question, which of the following is a demerit of the parliamentary system? Option A, compressed representation. Option B, uncertainty of policies. Option C, temporary government. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Next question, which of the following statements is not correct? Option A, according to the 42nd and the 44th amendment, it is compulsory for President to comply with the advice of the Council of Ministers. Option B, presidential system is based on double executive. Option C, according to the Article 74, the Council of Ministers works under the leadership of the Prime Minister. Option D, Article 74 and 75 provides parliamentary system in the center. Right answer is option B. Next question, which of the following characteristics is not related to the presidential system? Option A, governance of the Prime Minister. Option B, single executive. Option C, single membership. Option D, dissolution of lower house is banned. Correct answer is option A, governance of the Prime Minister. Next question, which of the following characteristics is not related to the federal government? Option A, written constitution. Option B, flexible constitution. Option C, supremacy of the constitution. Option D, independent judiciary. Right answer is option B, flexible constitution. Next question, in the federal government, option A, all the powers and functions are vested in the central government and regional government. Option B, all powers are divided into central government and regional government. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. In the federal government, all powers are divided into central government and regional government. Then next question, the federal system in India is based on the model of which country? Canada, UK, America, Japan. Right answer is Canada. Next question, the model code of conduct for political parties and candidates to be followed during election is laid down in the Constitution of India, specified in the Representation of the People Act 1951, enjoined by the Supreme Court. Option D, a voluntary agreement among recognized political parties. Right answer is specified in the Representation of the People Act 1951. Next question, who is the chairman of the Lok Sabha? President, Minister of Parliament Affairs, Speaker, Prime Minister. Right answer is Speaker. Speaker is the chairman of the Lok Sabha. Next question, which one of the following articles empowers the President to appoint Prime Minister of India? Article 74, Article 75, Article 76, Article 77. Right answer is Article 75. Next question. The Constituent Assembly formed the Drafting Committee of India Constitution on 29th August 1947, 30th August 1948, 29th August 1949, 29th August 1950. Right answer is 29th August 1947. Next question. Which one of the following sets of bills is presented to the Parliament along with the budget? Option A. Direct Taxes Bill and Indirect Taxes Bill. Option B. Contingency Bill and Appropriation Bill. Option C. Finance Bill and Appropriation Bill. Option D. Finance Bill and Contingency Bill. Right answer is option C. Finance Bill and Appropriation Bill. Next question. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? British Constitution, US Constitution, Irish Constitution, the Government of India Act 1935. Right answer is option number D. The Government of India Act 1935. Next question. In which article of the Constitution of India has the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha been provided? Article 101, Article 108, Article 133, Article 102. Right answer is option B. Article 108. Next question. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by the Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the upper house within 10 days, 14 days, 20 days, 30 days. Right answer is the upper house within 14 days. Next question. Who among the following is or are not appointed by the President of India? Governors of the states, Chief Justice and Judges of the High Courts, Vice President, Chief Justice and Judges of the Supreme Court. Right answer is Vice President. Next question. Which of the following committees are committees of Parliament? Public Accounts Committee, Estimates Committee, Committee on Public Undertakings. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3. Option B 1 and 2 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D 2 and 3 only. Right answer is option A 1, 2 and 3. Next question. The tenure of every panchayat shall be for 5 years from the date of declaration of the election results, its first meeting, issue of notification for the conduct of elections of the panchayat, taking oath of office by the elected members. Right answer is declaration of the election results. Next question. What does Article 17 of the Constitution say? Untouchability is abolished. The practice of untouchability is forbidden. Practice untouchability is an offense. All of the above. Right answer is option number D, all of the above. Next question. Who is known as the sculptor of the Constitution of India? Rajendra Prasad, V.V. Giri, B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Who decides disputes relating with the allotment of symbols to political parties? Representation Act 1952, Representation Act 1953, Representation of the People Act 1951, Election Commission. Right answer is option number D, Election Commission. Next question. The term of member of the Rajya Sabha is 5 years, 6 years, same as that of the Lok Sabha, 2 years. The term of member of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Next question. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? President, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Right answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. A federal structure of India was first put forward by the Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1935, Act of 1947. A federal structure of India was first put forward by the Act of 1919. Next question. Which writ is issued by a High Court or the Supreme Court to compel an authority to perform a function that it was not performing? Option A, writ of certiorari. Option B, writ of habeas corpus. Option number C, writ of mandamus. Option number D, writ of quo warranto. Right answer is option number C, writ of mandamus. Then last question. If the Speaker of the Lok Sabha intends to vacate his office before the expiry of his term, he sends his resignation to the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Leader of the House, Lok Sabha, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, President of India. Right answer is Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. ये थिला पॉलिटिकल रो केतेक प्रश्न जहाँकि आज आम आलोचना कले। आज MCQ ये शेष होची। वीडियोटी भल लगी लाइक करंतु, फ्रेंड मानक सह शेयर करंतु, सब्सक्राइब करंतु जहाँफल कि आपण पाखरे आमर एहीपरी नुआ नुआ वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन पहुँची पारिबो। थैंक यू।